Hey YouTube, here's Heiko in my garage. A quick little follow-up to my last video where I was talking about cell phone mounts that I just switched from a RAM brand or RAM mount brand cell phone mount to a quad lock. There's a quick little addition to that. I'm going to show you and tell you why I'm doing this. So here you can see the RAM correction, the quad lock mount that I have currently installed on my bike. Just around the handlebar. Then it has this little extension arm here, and this is where the phone, either you have a phone that has a quad lock case, or you buy the universal case adapter that just stick to the back of your case and then 45-degree push down and twist, and then it locks in place. And when you want to take it back off, you just push and undo and take off. Online, I read that a lot of people had problems with the quad lock being too rigid and transfers too much vibration over to your phone. Some people even reported that their phone died. I guess it has to do with some of the sensors that are installed in modern smartphones. And so quad lock listened to their customers, and they came out with this little thing. It's a vibration damper, and this vibration damper just gets mounted in between the mount and the locking mechanism. And here, let me put you on a tripod, and then we're going to take a look at this. So yeah, little packaging. I also got a phone ring stand that can lock to the back side of the quad lock mount or the universal adapter on the back of my phone, so you can hold the phone a little better and you can prop it up on your desk or on a table. So this is the adapter here. They also again give you a little Allen key, so you really don't have to go looking for tools. So now we have to first take the actual locking mount off. Make sure you don't lose that little screw here. And I already dropped it. So don't do as I do, just do as I say, don't lose it. Those mounting screws come with some Loctite from the factory. If you have to take them off, put them on, take them off a few times for adjustment purposes, you might want to put some fresh Loctite on it, because yeah, you don't want to lose this thing, right? So I think let's do it tight. So there are three little rubber connectors. The top part where the phone is now going to be mounted is not physically connected with a bolt to the bracket, but only by means of rubber. And that's supposed to kill 90% of the vibration that gets transmitted or transferred from your handlebar to your cell phone mount. And that how quickly you can put that on. Now you can see that there is loose play between the mount and the bracket here. So there is some flexibility, some looseness. I wish I could show you how to put my phone on here, but you're looking through my through the camera lens of my phone currently. So unfortunately, you just gotta trust my word. 45-degree push down, and then you can have it in portrait or landscape. You just have to make sure you can reach this little blue lever next to your phone to undo it. And yeah, so this is the vibration damper. Yeah, let's open this too and take a look at that as well, if I can. open, oh yeah, if you open it in the right corner, okay, this box is going to be destroyed. Goodness gracious. So here is, it comes with a little carabiner clip too, and then the actual ring is, it is pretty much the same as this locking mechanism. It just locks into the back of your phone case, and then you can prop this little ring out. Helps you to hold onto your phone or to prop up your phone. I just thought that was kind of a nice gimmick, so I wanted that. Wanted that and wanted the vibration damper so I don't destroy the sensors in my phone. And then I wonder what you're supposed to do with this carabiner here. Once you have this quad lock adapter on the back of your case, you can use all kinds of, they have bicycle mounts, they have car mounts that use this locking mechanism. They even have a Velcro strap that you can put around your arm while you're jogging and click your phone on. And some other wall mount brackets and all that. So if you check out Quad Lock, they are not a sponsor, by the way. I'm only saying this because I like the product. They didn't pay me to say this. But yeah, this seems to be a pretty comprehensive product line. Designed in Australia, you know, the Aussies. Always comes with pretty nice instructions. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. I like it, guys. So, vibration damper for quad lock. I don't know if all the other mount manufacturers that are out there on Amazon, if they have the same kind of commitment to motorcyclists. What was the other brand that I was looking at? They're very similar. They use magnets instead of a locking mechanism. Anyways, just wanted to show you this. I like it, and we'll report back when I actually take the bike out for a ride, if the phone starts wobbling now, or if, you know, I feel like there's less vibration being transmitted over to the phone. All right, guys, take care. Hang in there. Bye.